Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying the exact backup you'll use and starting the restore immediately. First, check iCloud or Google Backup for a recent contact snapshot. If you exported a VCF file, locate it in Files or Email. Once done, plug into power and connect to stable Wi-Fi so the restore won't fail mid-transfer. Make sure Contact Sync is temporarily disabled to prevent automatic merges that complicate recovery. Now you're ready to pick the source and launch the import process. Next, run the import or sync with attention to options. This is the complex middle step. On iPhone, use Settings Contacts Accounts, add account or import contacts from the VCF in Files. On Android, open Contact Settings, import or turn on Google Sync and select Restore. Once you start, select the right account destination so you don't overwrite another list. Monitor progress and test by opening a few contacts to confirm names, numbers, and emails appear correctly before proceeding. Finally, complete the process by re-enabling sync and letting the device finish full synchronization. This ensures photos, notes, and contact groups come back. Then scan for duplicates and use built-in merge tools or a trusted cleanup app to tidy entries. If some contacts are missing, don't panic. Try importing the same VCF again or restore from an alternate backup copy. One key troubleshooting tip: if sync stalls, toggle the account off and on. Restart the phone and reinitiate the restore. This often resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.